No, Harper. Oh my God. I don't know, just... Alright. Make sure I'm not going to show any addresses. Or make sure I'm not showing any addresses. Yep. Alright. Oh! Whoa! Huh, wow. Huh, didn't see that come in. Huh, didn't see... Oh. Oh.
That's cool.
Yeah. Ooh, sorry, tree block. Huh. Make sure. Oh. Oh, wow. It's going to remind me of the Disney logo from 2006 or whatever year. Disney. Reminds me of Disneyland. Oh. Oh, sorry. Yep, here. Huh, here. It's probably like, here, I'm going to come join right in. You know, I should probably just stay.
You can come sit with us.
All right. Yeah, I don't feel like going to the pond now because there might not be any neighbors there.
Go to the pond if you want, or we can just stay here.
I'll just stay here. Hey, don't. Oh, forgot to didn't get it on video.
Who's doing them?
Oh, some neighbors that I haven't.
This house
Oh my God, don't ask.
Nice.
Don't have.
I see him behind that.
I should just go down. Oh, don't. Oh my God, I should have just walked over to the pond. But that's. Oh my God, don't ask. Oh my God, I'm trying to. Oh my God, don't ask. Oh my God, don't ask. Oh my God, I'm trying to. Oh my God. Oh, that's it. Oh my God. Oh my God, y'all use a lot. Oh my God, you knuckleheads. Oh my God, trying to have some. Oh my God. Sorry guys, it's just
Grab that Bucky's blanket, we can sit in the yard.
maybe I could just go to the pond then, even though I don't have.
The pond?
Yeah, I'll just go by
You don't
myself.
want to be with us?
Yeah, I'll probably be here. It's probably a good idea. I'll just come back when I'm.
You can like sit facing this way on the bench. You can still see.
Oh, okay. I could do that. If Mr. Dale's out here, I'm gonna wave at him. Don't mind me, water. Oh shit, I don't have my shoe. Oh crap, I don't have my shoes on. Oh well. Sorry if I'm going barefoot, Mouse fans. I'm just gonna sit at the bench over there. Oh, whoa, whoa, yeah, fireworks. Yep. I'm gonna sit here. I haven't sat in one of these before. Yep. Oh. 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 Whoa. 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 Wow. This is definitely going on my YouTube channel. Oh. I didn't see it coming. Sorry. I didn't sure. Alright. Wow. I'm gonna zoom right in. Zoom right in. All right, there we go. Wow, I bet my neighbor's already thinking I'm a YouTuber. Yeah. If you're, all right. Yeah. Why is your face? Okay. Y'all leave Tyler alone, y'all. Make sure I'm not filming any addresses. Yep. Well, I love this. I love me some fireworks. Where the hell? All right. Oh, wow. I'm doing good. Sorry, I was just filming a video. Oh. Alright, where the hell did I, oh, okay. I can't see it because the trees are in my way. Dough! Dough! If you guys don't know what dough means, it's from The Simpsons. Yep. Oh, saw it. Oh. Woo! Yeah. That's what I need. That's one poker face. That's one poker face. Yep. That is one poker face. It's a song by Lady Gaga, just so you Mouse fans know. It's a song by Lady Gaga. I like Lady Gaga. She's a singer, just so y'all know. Alright. Here. We all like, hey, here, can I, are y'all? Woo! 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 Alright. Woo! Woo! Wow! Nah, I bet this video's... Please don't... Oh! Oh, all in all, like... Why are you filming? He's filming. Well, I have to film it. Okay. Oh, I gotta make sure that Jeep isn't. Oh, y'all, you're going right in. You're going right in. You too. I'll view that comment. Oh, dang it, I didn't see the. Oh, damn it, I didn't see the other one. Oh, oh, yeah. I mean, subscribe, Tyler Ingles. Oh my God. I love you. Hey, ducks. Hey, duckies. Huh. Daffy Duck. Daffy Duck. That's what ducks remind. Whoa! Whoa! Wow. I should go shout him and go, hey, where y'all at? Hello, where y'all? Hey, I'll stay hauling. Oh, I already will watch it. Oh, yeah, I've watched it. Yep. Hey. Hey, can I say, I just want to say thank you guys for the, alright. It means a lot. Thank y'all for the fireworks. Oh, did y'all like fireworks? Thank y'all for the, oh, I can't clap my hands because I'm recording, so, because I'm recording this on YouTube, so, yeah, making sure I'm not showing any addresses, which I'm probably, doubt I'm not, because if I did, then I would get haters. I bet Mackenzie Wheeler's gonna like the video. Yep. Oh, yeah. I just love hanging out at this pond. Maybe I should... Oh! Aw, I didn't see it. Oh, okay, I see it. Wow. Ooh! I was gonna remind them this. Yep, that's it. Wow. Hey, can I hear you? Alright. I'm having a good 4th of July, Mouse fans. If you don't celebrate the holiday, you gotta respect my opinion. Mouse fans. Yep. Happy 4th of July from Tyler Ingles movie. Y'all don't go, y'all see. Oh. Woo! 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 Oh, okay. Sorry if I'm screaming, guys. It's just I can't help my excitement. I bet one of my neighbors are gonna think I'm a YouTuber. They're gonna think, all right. Yeah. Just so you guys know, my neighbors are nice, but and one of them subscribed to me, so because I told them about my channel. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. If you guys want to subscribe to Tyler Ingles Movie Corner, feel free to. Okay. Feel free to subscribe. Oh, didn't see that coming. Yeah. It's easier like, whoa! Whoa! Wow. That is one poker face. That is one poker face. Yep. That was, hey, you know what, Mom? How is it? Good. Hey, you know, maybe I should go. Alright, I should. Hey, were y'all the ones like, thank y'all so much. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate it. Alright. Alright. Well, y'all, that's it for Chocolate, and I am out of here. Alright. Oh! Oh. Don't listen. Well, I think he's probably going back home. Hey, I like your YouTube video. Hey. Where'd you at, I think it's... Oh, hey, Savannah. Oh, make sure you're not showing any... Alright. Oh. Hey, I have a ranger hat like you. Sorry, guys. My neighbors just waved at me. I'm going to make sure I didn't get that on camera. They probably think I'm the one filming. Oh, yeah. This might be one... Hey, Mouse fans, this is going to be one of those long videos I do, so that's probably why y'all could see on my camera. Yep. Oh my God, I wish those ducks in that pond would shut up, because I'm making a video. Hey, sure. How's it going? Good. Whoa! Whoa! hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Reminds me of the movie Independence Day. Yup. I didn't want to sit on the... Oh, it's... Yep. I was going to be where my family is at, but I'm actually going to be right here, so that way I'm not too far away. So that's way I don't get distracted. Yeah, hey Mom, is it okay if I go tell them? Hey. Oh. Wow, that is some poker face fireworks. He's recording it. Of course I am recording it, you knucklehead. Of course I'm recording it. Hey Mom, is it okay if I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna go. Sorry. I don't have my hat on, but what the? Hey, is there a bunny here? Hey, I just want to say, hey. I don't have, sorry if I don't have, alright. What's the next one? Oh. Alright. Yeah, I know. Woo! Yeah. Haha. Yeah. Woo! Sounding like Joe Swanson, Mouse fans. I'm sounding like Joe. Whoa! Didn't see that coming. Huh. That's okay. Hey, that's okay. Yep, nobody messes with the mayor. Nobody messes with Tyler Hinkle. Yep, because I want y'all to subscribe to him because I was the one recording. Alright. Ooh. Should go like me. We're not sitting. Alright, I'm gonna go to the neighbors. I'm gonna go tell the neighbors thank you for the fireworks. Hey, thank y'all for the fireworks. Oh, you're really welcome. Yep. See y'all on E2. I'll see y'all on E2. I'll see y'all on ESPN2. Alright. Hey, oh, are y'all about to head back home? Oh. Alright. I guess. Ooh. Haley? Oh, sorry. Yeah, see some lights, so yeah. That would be cool if I recorded it with my... Yep. I just want to go subscribe to my YouTube channel at Tyler Hinkle's Movie Corner. Oh. Just want to go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh, didn't see that coming. Well, y'all might have heard them, so. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I just wanted to be down here. And it's like the way where I go for my... Hey, hello. Hey, how you going? Yep. Oh, hey, get my shopping on. She wanted you to watch the Fairly Odd. Say where we go. Yeah. Oh! Oh, wow, wow. Yeah, I want to go. Just wanted to. Alright. Alright. Oh, thought there was. Whoa! Hey, can I go? Hey, hey. Hey, thank y'all for the fireworks. Thank y'all for the fireworks. Thank y'all for the fireworks.
Oh, you're really welcome.
Hey, thank y'all for the fireworks. Thank y'all for the fireworks. Oh.
Thank y'all for the fireworks.
No, and
You're really welcome.
remember that saying, because nobody messes with Tyler Hinkle. That's me. Oh, I'm Jawali Tyler. Man. Maybe I should go back. I think that's probably, I don't know. I just want to record this anyways, guys. I just want to record it anyways. Just for fun. And it's actually like one of my longer videos I do on the channel. So, yeah. Oh! I'm kind of glad that I'm not showing any addresses. Wanted to make sure I didn't show any because since they're personal, you know, Mouse fans, addresses are personal. Yes, sir.
Oh, yes.
Oh my god, you're being loud. Sorry. Oh, they didn't wave at me, damn it. Maybe I should go. Maybe I should. I gotta ask them. That's probably a mom question. I should have told her this sooner. Maybe she will. Maybe she'll say yes. I don't know. Alright. I wanted to make sure I'm being careful while filming because I don't. Alright, Mom. I'll end the video. Alright, Mom. I'll end the. Oh. You know what, Mouse fans? I'll end the recording from here.